Another 5:30 wake up. Oh yeah. Today we're going on the coffee tour. Personally, I love coffee, so it's going to be a great tour. When you're on this hike, you've got this duffel bag that they give you. They put it on the donkey to carry. So you put all like your clothes and stuff in it. And then you just take your day bag with all your essentials. Check it out, we got the whole gang of blue houses. It's hallucinogenic.
Yeah, wow. Okay.
Alright guys, so we are hiking along the road the whole way to the coffee place because the real hiking trail, it fell down. You can't even walk along the path. In 2010, the water was up to in line with my finger. That's a lot of water. I think there's a scuba diver stuck under the ground. What the hell? Well, apparently this is a really good kayaking spot. These are all tobacco trees. And there's like 2 different types of tobacco. How's it going, guys? Oh my god. Look at this. Right standing on the ground. Right. Vertical drop off. Right there. Like 100-meter drop off to your death. Let's hike. Bruh, it's the Nike truck. Just do it! Alright, these are supposed to be the spiciest chips in the world.
Oh my god, your life just got...
Bro, like how is all that stuff not falling down? Guys, so apparently when there's torrential rain, there's lots of landslides and rock slides happen. Got me thinking, do they have tarantula rain? Just got the best surprise I could have asked for. A freaking van. Let's go.
Good job.
At the coffee experience.
Francisco Pizarro discovered the indigenous used the stone only for these beings.
They make beers, toilets, viruses, and coffee grinders. We've got the Peruvian coffee.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Approx like
You're going to be running around that.
We just arrived at the Jungle Dimes, which is where we're staying tonight. Oh yeah! Just discovered a fatal flaw in our house. The door doesn't really... Ah, I'm gonna love hearing that noise in the middle of the night when I gotta go to the toilet. Guys, I just noticed that there's a tree that could possibly fall on our tent.
2 hours later.
The next day. Well guys, it's 4:35. Oh yeah, man. Oh, I love waking up at 4:35. I've got here what I'm wearing today, all my nice wet clothes. Oh, awesome. Today we've got a nice little 24-kilometer day. Thank goodness, guys, we've made it to a Starbucks.
Hello there, can I please take your order?
Look at that.
He has a double chin. Look at his nose.
We got a wild strawberry. Let's try. Tastes like a raspberry. Geez, looks like there's quite a bit of a family of spiders here. No more uphill. Woo! We're entering the jungle now.
Go ahead, Phil.
Apparently it's supposed to be super slippery. Welcome to the jungle. Na 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 na. Ah, it's all downhill from here. Literally.
Give me a hug. Give me affection.
Oh yeah, that's it, huh?
Properly in the jungle now. Look. Look how cool this place is. Just like all grass. So you know how I haven't been using my walking stick? I just got myself one. Good sturdy bit of bamboo. Does the job quite nicely. I just got a Coke and we learnt yesterday that because it's called Coca-Cola, Coca. So 20 years ago the main ingredient was the coca leaf. We're at the sketchiest cable ridge ever.
You say one by one, eh?
Yep.
That doesn't say one by one. Oh my god! Bruh. Look, it's literally fencing wire. Here's the train. Unfortunately, we're not going on it. And now we're beginning the 3-hour railway walk. Geez, the walk of death. Look at the river. There was a landslide here a couple of days ago. Look at that. Had to repair all the railways. Holy moly. The river looks like Willy Wonka's chocolate river. Where's Augustus Blue? Oh, there he is. Let's freaking go, guys. We finally made it to the Machu Picchu town. This is what it's called. And oh boy, am I happy that that day of hiking's over. About 25 kilometers and 35,000 steps. Very long hike. Okay, we just got to the hotel that we're staying at tonight. It's very nice. Just started raining. Oh, we've got a nice construction site. Alright guys, it's finally the day. It's 4:30 AM. We're heading to Machu Picchu! Yeah! I'm very tired of waking up so early. Okay, because we've been hiking the last 5 days, we're catching the bus up. Well, I'd like to say that that 5 days of trekking was definitely worth it. Look at the view. There's one picture up the top of that mountain. Looks crazy cool.
Yeah, for electricity, but it's more bigger, more capacity.
The mountains in the background is where we were. We hiked a long way.
Guys, all the chinchilla? No. Very funny.
Leaving for good luck, and apparently the security guards just come and collect it every night. What the hell is everyone doing? It's the main square. Chocky Cairo is bigger than Machu Picchu City. You may be wondering, Kelly, what awesome clothes are you wearing today? Well, I'm wearing the Salcante trekking merch. Wow, the Incas were so accommodating for us future people. We've got lots of coat hangers. Alright guys, we're back. The second day and we're going to Huayna Picchu, and oh boy is it a way clearer day. It's about a 1 hour vertical uphill climb and then 40-minute downhill. That's where we've got to go. And all the way up there is the beginning of the lovely uphill. practically is a ladder. Having to use my hands. Nice. Your boy made it. Let's go. Have a look down. Holy. Okay, let's go out to what I assume is the sitting area. More freaking stairs. Woo! Let's go. Made it. Oh, we're rewarded with the best view I've ever seen. Bruh. Huayna Picchu, altitude 2060, 167.58. Very specific. Oh, thank God we've got one of the best views ever. It's a pretty tough walk.
Oh yeah, okay.
Lots of hard work. Let's check out this main viewpoint. Damn. Let's go, guys. Now heading down.
Let's get down there.
It's gonna be so sketch going down. Jeez, it's actually gonna open up right for us.
Perfect picture of you guys.
These are the sketchiest little stairs ever. Guys, you've literally got to walk through a freaking cave. This is like some... Oh man, I hate this stuff. I think I'm definitely claustrophobic. It's like one of those spelunking videos. Man, I bet Dad's gonna struggle getting through that one. Oh! Da-na-na-na-na-na. Holy. Sheesh! Let's go, guys. Alright, guys, we made it to Huayna Picchu, and oh boy, was it 100% worth it. Wasn't the best view up there, started walking down, and now look at this absolutely amazing view. Easily the best view of Machu Picchu you can get. I highly recommend walking up Huayna Picchu. Jeez, guys, we've passed about 20 people on the way down. It's going to be very busy, and we've seen quite a few large people who are probably going to struggle going through that cave. Bruh, I know the camera does not do this any justice, but this is like vertical.
Show your feet on this.
Some people are literally wearing their fancy dress clothes while hiking up so that they can get their sexiest photo. Not me, I'm a hardcore hiker. We're all at the top of that mountain. Worth it. This is how many people are waiting now. Definitely recommend coming on the 6 AM entry one. Probably is 100 people. Hello there everyone, I hope you enjoyed that awesome series. I really enjoyed making it. It was an awesome adventure. I strongly recommend doing the Salkantay trek, as it leads you to one of the most beautiful locations on the planet. It was a bloody good adventure, wasn't it? If you got any questions, leave a comment, like, subscribe. Yeah!